This Century 21 Agate Realty property video is presented by Skip Watwood. Private, wooded country property. This parcel has multiple developed home sites that have ocean, valley and territory views. Marketable timber. Logging and clearing could potentially open up additional home sites, barn, pasture or arena sites. Septic system installed. Water is developed, multiple springs and creeks on this property. Seller has developed a domestic water system.New culvert at bottom of road, improvements to all parts of roads to better access property, 21x42 steel barn structure. For more information, review the details below or contact Skip Watwood at 541-661-1504.